Hello, in the previous video I explained how to develop a test case for functional testing. In this video I will explain how to prepare the test case which was developed in the previous step. To start the preparation, click on the Prepare Test Case button. From the pop-up, click on the Choose File button. Now, serve to the folder location where you have saved the test case. This is the test case, so click and open the test case. Now the test case has been uploaded. Click on the Prepare button to start the preparation. Now the test case has been prepared. In the Jenkins, the prepared test case will be auto-created as a new job for easier execution. This is the test case which was prepared in this step. This is how you have to prepare a test case for desktop. In the next video, I will explain how to execute the test case which is prepared in this step. To post your projects, visit our website TestOnNeed.com. For further more assistance, contact us on sales@TestOnNeed.com. Do connect with us on our Twitter and LinkedIn accounts. Stay tuned. Thank you.